Hey there, it's Jewel here. Hope you are having a wonderful day and having a great summer. As the summer is winding down, I know it's been quite some time since I've done one of these videos, but I thought this was a great time because I am meeting with a lot of clients who are preparing for that post Labor Day marketing push to get their properties sold, and wanted to share with you one of our services that we often don't talk about too much, but it's one of the most valuable services that we offer at Grand Properties. And one of the services is called project management. Now, you may or may not know this about my background, but when I got started in this business, I actually started out as a real estate investor. And so I was buying homes to flip, and I was staging my own properties. And then I ended up staging on the TV show Flip This House because of my background as an investor. And I'd been asked about who was doing all the staging on my projects, and it ended up that a lot of other people saw value in having that as well. And so that's how I actually got started in the business. So I know a lot about renovating properties and bringing them back to its glory and bringing it to its fullest potential. And so that's what I do for a lot of clients throughout the New York City and surrounding areas, is that we will manage updates for clients prior to us even coming in for staging. And of course, we do this for our interior design clients as well. And so we have recently completed a gut renovation of a 3-bedroom apartment. We did a brand new kitchen recently. And so project management is essentially where we come in and manage all the updates that the property might need for a sale or for someone who's moving into the property. And so that can actually be cosmetic. So it could be something as simple as painting or just refinishing floors and changing some fixtures. Or can it be even more extensive as, like I said, a gut renovation or changing kitchen, bathroom, whatever might be needed to make that property either in the condition that a seller can get the maximum value, right, when they're trying to attract the potential buyer, or for a buyer who just wants a home that feels more like them, right? And so they want to make some changes and they want to do some things to make the property home, right, before they move in. And so that's our project management service. And it's something that we are often doing for clients all the time. And typically it's usually more cosmetic. So it's usually something along the lines of painting and changing fixtures and things like that. And then we come in and we stage it if it's for sale. And for buyers, it's usually something more extensive. So typically people want to make some kind of change, some kind of renovation that is along the lines of a kitchen or bathroom or something like that. So that's a project management service. So if you have clients who want to really get the most value out of their properties, but oftentimes they're turned off because they don't want to manage contractors, they don't know where to begin, and they don't want the headache of that. So having someone who can be their eyes and ears and manage that project for them and be the person who sources all the finished materials and helps to coordinate logistics and make sure things stay on budget, that's what we do. So that's our project management service. So if you have clients who are buying a property that needs some work, or you have a client who's selling a property that just needs some updates to really bring it back to its full glory, then Grand Properties can help you with that. So if you have any questions about that, please reach out to me, reply to this email where you're likely watching this, or email me directly at jewel@grandprop.com, and I'd be happy to answer your questions and schedule a time to come visit the property. So with that, I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you got some value from this. Share this with someone else if you know other people who are also representing sellers or buyers who often are in these situations, because I want to help more people throughout the area. So have a great day, have a wonderful summer, and I hope to see you